Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about life-oriented problems exercise 4.4. Dinu bought 15 meter 43 centimeter of shirt material and 23 meter 94 centimeter of trouser material. Find the total length of the material bought by him. Shirt material 15 meter 43 centimeter. Trouser material 23 meter 94 centimeter. Next, the total material. Now you add these two values. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Remaining 1. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So, Dinu bought 39 meter 37 centimeter material. Okay. Second sum. A fisherman bought 2 nets. The length of first and second nets are 23 meter 43 centimeter and 25 meter 63 centimeter. What is the total length of nets? So length of the first net how much? 23 meter 43 centimeter. Okay. Length of the second net 25 meter 63 centimeter. So the total length of net. Now you add these two values. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Remaining 1. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So the total length of net 49 meter 6 centimeter. Ahadya bought 70 meter 42 centimeter of wire to fence his garden. He used only 43 meter 51 centimeter of wire. Find the length of the remaining wire. Remaining. So you subtract these two values. Okay. So total length of the wire 70 meter 42 centimeter. Then how much wire is used? 43 meter 51 centimeter. Now you subtract the length of the remaining wire. So here 42 51. 51 is the biggest value. Yes. So now you bought 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Yes. So 100 here you have write 69. Here 142. 100 plus 42 is equal to 142. 142 minus 51 is equal to 91. Okay. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Then 0, here 14, 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. So 91 centimeter. Next 69 minus 43. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So the length of the remaining wire is equal to 26 meter 91 centimeter. A shopkeeper sold 37 meter 69 centimeter cloth out of 93 meter 75 centimeter in stock. How much stock is left with him? So the total length of the cloth, how much? 93 meter 75 centimeter. And how much cloth sold? 37 meter 69 centimeter. Okay. So the remaining cloth. So you subtract these two values. Okay. 75, 69. Okay. 5 minus 9 we cannot subtract. So 7 changes to 6. Here 15. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Next 3 minus 7 we cannot subtract. So 9 changes to 8 and here 13. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So the remaining cloth 56 meter 6 centimeter. Next sum. I bought 125 meters of orange fabric and 50 meters of yellow fabric in a fabric shop. I have used 13 meters of the orange fabric and 12 meters of yellow fabric. How many meters of fabric is remaining with me? So the length of the orange fabric, how much? 125 meter. Okay. How much orange fabric is used? 13. Okay, I have used 13 meter of orange fabric. So 13. Remaining orange fabric is equal to 0 minus 0 equal to 0 and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and remaining 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Okay. Next, the length of yellow fabric 50. So how much yellow fabric used? 12. Okay. So 12. Remaining yellow fabric. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 0 minus 2 we cannot subtract. So 5 change 4. It changed 10. 10 minus 2 equal to 8. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So remaining yellow fabric is equal to 38. So remaining orange fabric 112. Remaining yellow fabric 38. How many meters of fabric is remaining with me? So the total of remaining fabric, now you add these two values. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Remaining 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 1. So the total of remaining fabric 150 meter. Next sum. Velu is 1 meter 15 centimeter tall. Her friend Babu is 1 meter 30 centimeter tall. Who is taller and by how much? So Babu's height how much? 1 meter 30 centimeter. So Velu's height 1 meter 15 centimeter. So what's the difference? 0 minus 5 we cannot subtract. So 3 it is changes to 2 and here 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So the difference of the height is 15 centimeter. So Babu is taller than Velu. Students, turn the page number 58. Solving problem involving length and distance. Example. The distance between two coconut trees is 70 meter 35 centimeter. Sudan, walk from first tree to second tree. Walk from first tree to second tree. Then he returned to first tree. Okay. Then he returned to first tree. How much distance did he cover? So, Sudan walked from first tree to second tree. Then he returned to first tree. Okay. So Sudan went to second tree equal to 70 meter 35 centimeter. And Sudan returned to first tree. So he goes to first tree to second tree. Next he returned first tree. Okay. So Sudan returned to first tree equal to 70 meter 35 centimeters. So the total distance. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Then remaining 1. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. So the total distance is equal to 140 meter 70 centimeter. Students, practice this activity and group activity. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about estimation. Estimating and measuring length and distance. We can estimate some lengths and distance using approximate value for measurement. For example, the length of our blackboard is 1 meter. Okay. Now let us try to estimate the length of the following. Distance between your place and blackboard. Distance between table and cupboard. Distance between office room and your classroom. Look at the map and complete the following. This is Mira's house, Mira's school, Mira's uncle house, and this is toy shop. Next, this is market. Okay. The first question. The longest distance between Mira's house and the toy shop is. So, Mira's house and toy shop. Here, listen. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 25 equal to 55 kilometer. Another one way, 18 plus 21. Okay. 18 plus 21 equal to 39 kilometer. So, which is the longest distance? This is the longest distance. So, the longest distance between Mira's house and the toy shop is 55 kilometer. Shortest distance between Mira's house and Mira's uncle house. Mira's house and Mira's uncle house. 20 plus 10 equal to 30 kilometer. Okay. The longest distance between Mira's uncle house and market. Mira's uncle house and market. So 25 kilometer plus 21 kilometer, that is equal to 46 kilometer. So the shortest distance between school and toy shop. School and toy shop. 10 plus 25 equal to 35 kilometer. Which place is the longest from Mira's house? So which place is the longest from Mira's house? This is Mira's house and this is toy shop. So answer toy shop. Okay. Which place is the shortest from Mira's house? This is Mira's house and this is market. So answer market. Okay. Which place is the shortest from Mira's house? Market. Distance between Mira's house and the school. Mira's house and school. How much? 20 kilometer. Right, 20 kilometer. Okay students, thank you. Today class is over.